fans who prefer not to stay in the air conditioner can now use a gadget that works like an air conditioner, not just inside your room but also outside, such as on the road, in parks, jungles, beaches, or anywhere else. The Zero Breeze Mark II is a small and lightweight portable air conditioner that can lower ambient air temperature up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 minutes using 4 adjustable fan speeds and 3 cooling modes. It has an ideal space of 7 by 7 feet, making it suitable for trucks, teardrop trailers, small rooms, cars, and tents. The power comes with a 3-prong plug using an included AC adapter and is half the size of traditional portable air conditioners, weighing only 16.5 pounds.